Did you do it?
Yes.
What did it cost?
It didn't cost me nothing because I got my money back. YouTube, what's going on? It's your man Tech King Mike. I am back again with another video for you guys. Not a long video. I just wanted to kind of let you know a few things that have gone on recently. And so I made a video earlier this week that was based off of just me being ignorant. For those of you that don't know me personally, there's a couple of y'all that may get to know me personally, but for those of y'all that don't, I'm a straight fool. I'm a clown. I don't know how my wife deals with me because I'm ignorant. I'm sorry. I am what I am. But I made a video about the OnePlus 7 Pro because I felt like I needed to address something with YouTube and with a lot of fans out there of that device, and that is that y'all take stuff too seriously, man. There's just no other way to put it. Y'all gotta learn how to relax, man. You gotta breathe a little bit, chill out, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy the air, enjoy the day. You know, we out here waking up every day as a gift, and some of y'all just took it a little bit too hard, man. That people weren't really feeling your favorite phone like you thought they should have. But hey, it's a beautiful thing about life, man. We all got an opinion. So, you know, after I made that video, I took it upon myself to really and truly play with the 7 Pro a little bit more, and I played with it throughout the week. I carried it with me, took some pictures with it, and I thought about making a video. I thought about doing this and I thought about doing that, but I'll be honest with you, I didn't want to. The reason why, I just did not really, I can't do it. I couldn't do it, man. If you follow me on Twitter, you already saw it. If you don't, bad news bears, I took the phone back. I took it back to T-Mobile, and I got my money back, man. I got my money back. And listen, I know some of y'all gonna come in the comments and say, "Oh, you broke. That's why you took it back," or you know, somebody gonna try to say, "Oh, you couldn't afford it," or "Oh, you didn't want it anyway," or whatever. You know, listen, man. Listen. I could buy that phone every week if I wanted to, and I'm gonna leave it at that. So you don't know me, I don't know you. Be quiet. But I took the phone back because my OnePlus 6T, my McLaren OnePlus 6T, has been getting the job done for me much better than the 7 Pro. I'm gonna tell you one way it's getting the job done better: the flat screen. I was not a fan of the curved screen on the 7 Pro. I'm not really a fan of it on the S10 because it's kind of getting old now. I prefer, you know what? Hey, shoot me if you want to. I got shot in the last video. I'm still healing, but I prefer bezels. Okay, I like bezels. I like having something to hold on to, and I like a flat screen, man. I ain't with all of that. Everything got a. By the time it's all said and done, the phones are gonna be looking like this with the screen wrapped around it. Yes, that's an AirPod case, and it's an exaggeration, but y'all get where I'm going with this. Second reason, I saw no difference between that fingerprint scanner and this one. Now, obviously, it's not gonna open up because of the way I'm doing it, but the point is, I saw no difference between how fast this one was compared to how fast the 7 Pro was. And this phone here was $700. That 7 Pro was $700. This phone has 10 gigs of RAM. That one has 8. This one does not have a wide angle camera, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I think the cameras on this one are better than the 7 Pro. What? Yes, I said it. I think these cameras are better than the 7 Pro. And the reason why I say that is because I have this theory that I've developed because of the 7 Pro. Now, if you know me and you know the channel, this was my first OnePlus phone. Never had a OnePlus phone before this. Never. I'm not gonna be a hype beast and say, yeah, I had every single one of them, because I know it's a lie. I ain't had a single OnePlus phone. This was the first one. But what I notice about OnePlus now, and it took the 7 Pro for me to realize this, I'm gonna wait until the fall before I get my next OnePlus device. I'm gonna treat the OnePlus devices kind of like how I treat a Samsung or an LG or an Apple device. I'm gonna wait a year before I get another one. Some of y'all might want to go out there and get every single phone that drop and hold on to it and let it sit around and collect dust. That ain't me. If I go get a phone for this channel, It's because I want to use the phone. That's why you don't see any and every phone on this channel. But if I go get a device, it's because I have a genuine curiosity about it, and I figured why not talk about it with y'all. And that's pretty much the long and short of it. So when it's all said and done, no, I did not have a bunch of camera videos. No, I did not have a bunch of videos on how fast the display was and how it just looks like it was just so amazing. I spoke about it in my videos that I published, and that was enough for me, because the phone was not enough for me. So if you guys can convince me otherwise, but you can't, you can't. It's my money. You can't convince me otherwise. The 7 Pro is a great phone. Understand what I'm saying to y'all. Understand. Look here. It's you and me right now. All right, it's you and me. The 7 Pro is a great phone. Great phone. Build quality, display, the camera on the front, the cameras on the rear, needs some updates, but the sensors are not bad. The updates are what are needed. But for the most part, it's a great phone. It's a dope phone, and I got no issue with the 7 Pro. But like I said, like I've said to people before over the last couple of days, and like I'm saying now, if I did not have a 6T, no questions asked, I'd keep that 7 Pro all day and night. But because I have a 6T, because I have a 256 gig 6T with 10 gigs of RAM, 2 more gigs of RAM over the 7 Pro. I know some people don't really care about the specs, but I'm gonna say it so that when somebody tries to say, oh well, your 6T isn't as fast, actually it's faster. But I digress. Because I had this device already, I didn't need to upgrade. And it took me going to buy the phone, trying it out, to realize that I'm telling you the same thing. Hey man, everybody has their preference and everybody does what they does. But if you got a 6T at the crib and you loving it, if you go get the 7 Pro, man, you better be getting that thing because you like to collect phones, or because you just a OnePlus hype beast. Because otherwise, you wasting money, man. I saw a live stream. I think it was about a week ago. It had to be a week ago because me and the homie LB got into a super chat fight in Tech Rant. Y'all go check out Tech Rant if you want to see some hilarious videos and some informative videos. Go check him out because he's got a great channel. But the homie Tech Rant was doing a live stream, and he said something that to me, a lot of people need to adopt this lifestyle. What's more important, just having a $750 phone in your hand or having $750 in your hand? I got the 7 Pro, I tried it next to the 6T, and I realized that before I walk around with 2 OnePlus phones in my hand, knowing I'm reaching for this one first, I'd rather walk around with 1 OnePlus phone in my hand, some money in my hand, and I think I'm gonna take my wife out to dinner. So, with that being said, 7 Pro is gone. Bye, whatever. And I'm gonna let y'all in the next one. I'm gonna stop ranting and get out your face. And hey, listen, if you are a OnePlus 7 Pro fan and you are offended by the fact that I returned the phone, just go ahead and unsubscribe, because I don't care. And you do yourself a favor and do me a favor and just unsubscribe, and you can miss me with the nonsense, because I ain't for it. Alright, it's your man Tech King Mike. I'll holler at y'all in the next video. Peace.